Hello, folks. Well, today I'm going to fly my little tiny Cessna with a Cox 020 engine. Many of you might have seen the videos I made before when I converted this tiny three-motor electric to nitro. So if you haven't seen that video, you might want to watch it because I show how it flies with the little motors or with the 020. But today I'm just going to fly the 020. The transmitter has a lot of dead space before anything moves.
Okay, this is the elevator stick. Look how much I'm moving it, and nothing's happened on the elevator. That's a lot, especially if you're used to flying something else. But if I move a little further forward, it moves. So there's a lot of dead spot here, so you're kind of slamming the stick around more than I'm used to.
And the rudder and elevator are both on the right stick. There is a gyro. I don't normally turn that on, but I will turn it on to launch it and see how that goes. And if I can't fly it very good, I'm going to turn all that crap off. Well, but before that, I'd like to remind you folks of my other videos on Cox engines and my involvement with U-Control, Control Line, or whatever you want to call it, you might like to watch, which is all very well detailed in my new book. And if you haven't picked up a copy of that, I'm sure you really like it. So anyway, those videos include an original Cox 049 powered U-Control PT-19, the flying shop rags,
It's going a ways.
or my homemade foam board Yuki flying wing with aerobatics that the PT-19 just won't do, like fly inverted. I'll put those links in the description box so you can see the whole video if you want.
Pulling pretty good. Inverted.
You know, those were great days for me and my friends, really. Well, Cox engines were always a bit finicky, but once you got used to starting them, it really wasn't that bad, you know. So here goes on the second smallest production engine at the time, the Cox .020 Pee-wee, hooked to a Cessna with a half-inch of dead spot at the center stick, which makes this thing really hard to fly. You know, you move the stick and nothing happens. So you move it more and then it all happens. It's like exponential, which, you know, for obvious reasons, I don't use. I like dual rates better because everything moves where I move the sticks. With this, watch those wings bend.
Whoa.
perfect three-point landing. Glow plug, canopy, and rudder.
Thanks so kindly for watching this tiny engine and plane combo. This is Dave Herbert saying, please stay tuned by subscribing, and we'll see you on the next episode.